here again, and we are in North Natomas in the Westlake neighborhood. And we are going to take a look at this condo, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. I do want to point out over here, you've got an amazing park. It's down there. I wonder if I can zoom in. Ooh, yeah, so you got an amazing park over there. And then with the condo, you do have a clubhouse. Move. Yep, you got a clubhouse right there and a pool. Let's see if I zoom on that one too. You can see it a little bit. But then over here, beyond this, you've got the actual West Lake, and it is amazing. But that one is privately owned too, so let's go ahead and take a look at this condo. I'm going to jog a little bit. And so what's cool about Westlake, it was rated the 3rd best neighborhood to buy a house in the Sacramento area, which is crazy. Definitely really, really safe, good school, Paso Verde, definitely one of them. My son goes there. But yeah, take a look. So this is a tri-level. First level is right here. You've got your 1-car garage. Right there. You've also got storage right here too. Yeah, boom. Electrical panel right there. Let's go upstairs. And so primarily the flooring is laminate, carpet, and tile in the bathrooms. And then total is 1,304 square feet. And this complex was built in 2005. So as you come up, you got your kitchen area with the Peninsula Island, stainless steel appliances. You've got your tile countertops, because it was built in 2005, and with cabinets as well. Not bad looking though. Got your light fixture with the fan, because it does get hot. And we are on the 2nd level right now. Living room area with a mini balcony. Take a look around. I like some of these trees right here. Okay. You've also got your 1st bedroom on this floor as well. Plenty of natural light though too. No battery, but we're good. Now this is your laundry room, which is pretty spacious. Right here, got some cabinets for the linens as well, linens and clothes, and cleaning supplies. As you walk towards this way, you got your 1st bathroom. Like I said, with tile countertop, tile flooring, as you can see, and marble countertop. Light fixtures right there, bath and shower. And you got your 1st bedroom here, huge 2 windows, creating a lot of natural light. And you also got your beer closet right there. And now we're gonna go to the final level, the 3rd level for the master. And what's definitely cool about living in Natomas, you are minutes away from the airport if you like to travel. You are minutes away from downtown if you ever want to go to Sacramento Kings Cave or experience the nightlife. Yeah, good schools, new things coming along, new state-of-the-art university center, well, university hospital. I'm liking this master bedroom though. And a new school that's going to be focused on STEM. You got a good sized closet right here. So you can see the depth of it. Had to lower that. And finally, you got your dual sinks right here. Once again, the marble countertop, wood cabinets, large mirror, light fixtures, medicine cabinet. And you've got your bathroom, shower, and tub. Yeah, and so the HOA was about $300 a month, and that goes towards the clubhouse and the pool and the maintenance of the exterior and the maintenance grounds. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Definitely very appreciative of looking at the videos, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good one.